So today I come to you all with a very important announcement. So I just made a big purchase, more like an investment for basically furthering Gainz, and I just wanted to share that with you all. So without further ado, I would like to introduce you to my MacBook Pro. I do all of my video editing for my fitness page on Instagram and my YouTube channel on my... For those of you that don't know, I do all of my editing on my iPhone 7 Plus. It's not that bad, but it gets tedious where you're trying to shoot videos on your phone, store the clips on your phone, all that stuff. So, you know, I've always had in mind that I want to get a MacBook. So today I was able to make that purchase happen. This was not just an impulse buy, guys. Like, I planned everything out. I set my budget. I set how I was going to go about getting the computer, and I just went ahead and made the responsible decision and made it happen. I recently got a job as a band director at a high school. So for the upcoming school year, I will have my own marching band. So from writing music to doing my video stuff, I'm going to be pretty busy. So I felt as though getting a MacBook will be the best computer for me and what I wanted to do. And I just wanted to talk about a few things that if you are interested in purchasing your own MacBook, how you can go about it in different ways. Rule number one, like I stated earlier, have a plan. Within that plan, set your goal. So for this computer, I wanted to make sure that I wasn't just buying the computer. I wanted to make sure that I had insurance, because as we know, Apple products, they do break. So you definitely want to be able to have that coverage, to have that extra means of insurance on your investment, your computer being your investment. So when I planned out to buy mine, I made sure that I was going to be able to get the computer, get Apple Care, the warranties to cover it. And with the 15, it also does not have the different ports and stuff on it. So I wanted to make sure that I was able to get the slot ports and all that stuff for it. So basically all my bases are covered when it comes to the computer. Now, when it comes to budgeting, I wanted to get a store card. I purchased my computer from Best Buy and put the money down to cover the price of the computer and pay it off monthly. Now, depending on what works for you, you can do either a 12-month plan or you can do a 24-month plan. I suggest do the 24 because it gives you that extra time. And then what you can do is you can have a little more wiggle room. Say, for example, you have a good month and you want to put a little extra money down. You can go ahead and put that extra money towards the computer. Or if you want to do 12-month lease and you are really responsible and know that you can make your payments every single month towards the computer and have it paid off, by all means do that as well. It takes a little time to get approved for your card, but of course you know you want to have a good credit score. You will want to make sure that your annual income is efficient enough for you to make the payments. That's how they determine whether they're going to approve or deny you. Me personally, I actually applied 3 times. So the first time I applied, didn't know anything about the income and all that stuff. The second time I did, and I was able to put down my annual income for my upcoming job, but they still denied me. Yeah, I don't know why. So the third time, what I did was I put down my income for myself as well as the people in my household at the time, being my family and whatnot. So that brought my income to a high enough level for me to be able to go ahead and get approved for it. And they gave me the approval, picked out the computer I wanted, and bada bing, bada boom, bow. My second tip is to do your research. So know the difference between the 13-inch, the 15-inch, the Pro, the Air, the iMac. Know the difference, the processing speeds, the storage, the RAM, all of those things that are going to basically deter whether you want to spend more or less money. So with my profession being music, I'm going to be doing a lot of writing, a lot of multitasking, a lot of things that's going to require a lot of processing speed. So that's why I made the decision to pick the Mac Pro 15-inch. Be smart. You know, anything in life, it just takes time. You have to be patient. If you know you don't have the money right away, then just wait. You know, your time's coming. You'll be able to afford it at one point in time. For those of you that don't know, I graduated from the Virginia State University with a degree in music education. Alright, so enough about that. Yeah, whatever. But now, guys, we're going to get to the main event.
Shout out to my handy dandy box cover from my job at Gainz.
It's taking long. I couldn't do it. But yeah, it's time to unbox this thing. Let's see what we got going on in the box. All right. So as you guys can see, there it is. There it is. The computer. I can really say no for real. I'm just messing around, but yeah, let me go ahead and show you what's going on in the box. Yes, you can. Guess you just take this out and look at that thing there. I'm gonna go ahead and let that boot up for a little bit and see what else I have in the box. So it comes with your lightning cable, I guess. The manual. I don't read manuals. I just do my thing, you know. YouTube, yes, you all are the biggest tutorial or manual that you can go. You can find anything on YouTube, as I'm sure you all know. It's starter manual. Don't know what this is. And stickers. I love stickers. Yes, I always enjoy getting stickers when I buy Apple products. Last but not least, big old. Anything else in this box? You know that Apple likes to hide stuff in here. I guess not. So when you start it up, actually to pick English, Espanol, French, Dutch, whatever the language, you know, actually all that stuff. Go ahead and pick English because I speak it sometimes. Started. It's gonna actually pick the country that you're from, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and click that. Select the keyboard, all that good stuff. Yes. And then of course setting up the Wi-Fi, but I'm not gonna bore you guys with the setup. That's about it. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video with your friends, share this with somebody that you may think is on the fence between buying a computer. If it helps anybody else in deciding on whether or not you want to purchase your own MacBook Pro or MacBook Air or iMac, any type of Mac computer, being though it is a big investment, I just really want to emphasize the fact that you should plan, and hopefully it can help you guys out. Be on the lookout for better quality videos to come. And just, yeah, have fun, guys. Live life. That's what I'm trying to do now. But until next time, Gainz out.